Welcome to Enchanted Tarot. This is for the sign of Aries. It is a general reading. That being said, it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't sound like it's your story, check your other placements. Your messages could be there. So, if you have been distanced from your person, if they have put distance between you, either physically or emotionally, then that has returned, or it soon will. Okay, if you're not yet in that energy yet, that returns. So if you were together and they were distant from you emotionally, they now have are now giving you attention once again, okay, emotionally. So the intimacy will have returned. So it's like a new opportunity, okay, a chance to do it again. But the Ace of Cups is on its side. And in the boat, all the swords are in front of you here. So I feel like you are unsure. Maybe you're confused about this person's sudden change of mind or sudden change in behavior. And so I feel like you are moving forward cautiously. Or that you need to. You have the education card, which opened your reading. And so that would suggest that you might not have enough information about what you seek, about a direction to take or the direction to take, about your circumstances, or for the question, whatever is on your mind, okay? And so that which you seek, you shall find, but you must take action towards it and be open to changing your preconceived notions about it. So you have a certain perception when it comes to your situation. You're seeking clarity. You are seeking a restoration, a return to the way it was. And although it appears that they are offering you this moving forward, it's like it never really happens. So this is what you're feeling. And so it makes you suspicious. So this night in particular speaks to a love interest, that there was like a pause in the relationship where the intimacy stopped. And then it begins again. Okay. The Nine of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Queen of Wands. Okay. And she's also reappearing over here. So, okay. I feel like That's you in the Nine of Wands. Now, um, you may be trying to protect yourself or that which you have. Um, um, you could be on the defensive, remaining cautious. That's what I get from that Six of Swords. It's like you're cautiously moving forward. It's like slow. Um, the nines bring a situation that you need to work through alone, okay? Um, but it's something that's going to shape your identity and who you will become. So you're facing a very important challenge here. You could be kind of battening down the hatches and preparing for a siege, preparing to defend that which you have. Um, it feels like you're not ready to give up on the goal. This is the goal. It's like you have it, but you don't. So it's like you have a family here, but you are missing a piece, and that is the fulfillment, the happiness. But you desire it, and you long for it, and you want. I feel like you had a taste of it. So you once had it, but it was taken, and you want it back, and getting it back is the challenge. And so you're rather impatient to get it done. It feels like it's something that's been dragging, that's been going on for a long time. Because with the Nine of Wands, it can speak to some type of exhaustion. You've been through a lot of um, a lot of things, a lot of struggles in this relationship, or a lot of struggles. It's very dark in getting to the goal. It's been a long road, a hard one. Because the Nine of Wands is like learning the hard way. Maybe you're maybe you keep hitting brick walls with this person and with regards to the goal. And maybe you're looking for that new approach, and you're stuck when it comes to that because you got the stuck in the mud card. So you're stuck, and you're struggling to get out or pull yourself out of something that is not really working. Both this card and this card tell you that information is coming. Okay? But it's a situation where you have a preconceived notion about something or how it should be. And both of these cards would suggest that there's something you need to learn, that the information is coming, and that clarity about your circumstances come later when you can look at it with fresh eyes, you see. When you can look at it with fresh eyes. You see, and there you go, eh? This is about taking the same route all the time. Okay. It's why you're not advancing. Because you're longing for a specific outcome, you see. There you are. in the Seven of Cups, dreaming about it. Okay, about all of those cups for the future and what you would like to fill them. And you see, there it is. That's what you want. You're very attracted to this person and you want that offer. You want what they're offering you. It's here. Same card, but a different perspective, you know. And so what we have is we have the Magician up here. It feels like there's something that you can't see, but you're not it could be that you're not seeing something. You're not seeing something. They may be hiding something, all right, but you may not want to see that because you have a preconceived notion, you see, about how you want this to end or what the outcome should be. You could be worried about finances or financial loss. There's a lot of distractions here. There's a lot of arguments here. Somebody not listening or not understanding. There could be, with Three of Swords and Five of Wands, could be competition or could be about competition and loss. This could be about dropping something, some type of, it can speak to an awkward situation. Something that worries you, something that disappoints you. It feels like you're trying to you have a wish. This is what you're wishing for and longing for, and it is a specific or a certain outcome that you have in mind, and maybe in denial actually of what the actual truth is because of it. Because maybe you are trying to manifest this outcome. The Knight of Swords is in the reverse. And this is failing to recognize something. This could be, failing to recognize, heading for a fall. Ten of Swords. I feel like there's a series of disappointments here, and I feel like you're about to get another disappointment with regards to something you are longing for. I feel like you're not, it's almost like you're in denial of something because of the wish or the dream. Somebody could be deceiving you about a new beginning. You're looking for a peaceful solution. Or you're looking for somebody. See, somebody has returned the attention that they have taken or took away initially, which put you in the Four of Swords. And I feel like you're wanting to know why, or you're trying to understand the change, because it's like the actions don't match the words. Something here doesn't add up, and you're trying to figure it out. But I feel like there's something you're not seeing, because I feel like they're feeding your desire, okay? And you really want it, you know? It's like I feel like it's all about how you manage this. This person has betrayed you in the past. You may have everything, like you have a good life, financially, material wise, but you are missing the emotion. And to that end, you're not sure if this person is going to stay or not. You're not sure. This tower is yet to come. And I feel this is what you're worried about. I feel like you're looking at, see, we have Spirit of Place in the reverse because you're stuck, okay? You're stuck in the mud, trying to get out. You're looking at all of the details. Don't get entangled in details or desires that obscure the truth of your situation. That's what Spirit is saying. That's why it's in the reverse. You may not be listening to your intuition because of preconceived notions for how the outcome should be. You see, you hold the power to tell the truth first to yourself and then to the world. So be honest with yourself and remain willing to let your situation be revealed for what it really is and not what you want it to be. That's exactly what I was picking up in pieces, mind you, throughout this reading. So, I mean, you could be the magician just as well as them. You could be creating this illusion with a preconceived notion of what it should be or what you want it to be. And you're not allowing the truth of your situation to be revealed. And that's why you feel stuck in the mud. That's why it doesn't really move forward. I mean, the offer is suspended there, but nothing really happens, you know? And so, it is, it's only when you see things as they truly are that you will find the real treasure you're looking for. With your situation, which I can see in the moment is very confusing, had me confused for a minute also. But be prepared for some detours, surprises. This tower can bring an unexpected surprise, and look at that. An unexpected visitor. But I mean, that could be news that might cause this deep freeze that I see next. Detours, surprises, something is about to be shifted. Expect the unexpected. Plans get waylaid by unforeseen circumstances, and at first, these detours may seem inconvenient, but a surprise turn of events could signal that the adventure is about to get very interesting. No one can plan for synchronicity, for fate and destiny to meet except Spirit, who knows what you cannot comprehend for now. Understand that there's a plan for your life here, and it may not match up with your own agenda, and that is exactly what these other cards are talking about. It's what they're saying. You have some preconceived notion of how it's supposed to be, or how this outcome should be, how it all should end. And Spirit is saying there's a plan for your life that may not match up with your own agenda. So expect a shift. Something here is going to shift. But whatever it is, trust me, it will be in your favor. Even if in the moment it's not going to feel like it, you will see. You will see later. You are to trust that Spirit has a plan for you. Remember, I said earlier, clarity about your circumstances is going to come a little later when you can look at it with fresh eyes. This tower here most likely is meant to make you look at something with fresh eyes. It's like that awakening. That is what I have for you. I thank you for watching, for liking, and for sharing my videos, and for subscribing. Also, thank you to everyone who has sent in a donation. It is greatly appreciated. Many blessings.